Hello everyone, what's going on? I'm Gav, the Master974, back again today. Welcome to another Source Shorts video, and today I'm going to be looking into a suggestion that I got quite a long time ago in DMs, which was about how you can get the SV cheats message to be displayed in Source 2013 single player mods, because this is something that exists in Source 2013 multiplayer. So for example, if you were to play Half-Life 2 Deathmatch or Team Fortress 2, then if you were to, for example, enable server cheats, then there'll be a little message off to the left-hand side of the screen saying that the convar server cheats was changed from 0 to 1 or 1 to 0, something to that effect. And the idea is, how do you get this to work in Half-Life 2 Episode 1 and Episode 2? So that's what this video is going to be about. So I'm in my Visual Studio solution and I've got 3 files open, one of which that you're actually not supposed to have under conventional circumstances, which is portalplayer.cpp. But if we go to say Half-Life 2 MP player, we can go to the spawn function and just take a quick look through it. And yeah, not much going on there. We can even go to, as I said, portal player. You're not supposed to have this under normal circumstances, but again, not much going on there. And also hl2 player.cpp. Again, you can see there isn't actually too much going on there. Now, what if I were to tell you that the problematic line is actually on the screen right now? And I did scroll through all these other functions, and there's one thing that these 2 files do that hl2 player.cpp doesn't do. And if you haven't figured it out, it's actually the suppression of the chat functionality. Yep, that is the reason why the server cheats message doesn't actually happen in Half-Life 2 Episode 1 or Episode 2, because you're not supposed to be able to chat in a single player game, because what sense does that make? Don't know why it's enabled in Portal, because it just is for some reason. But yeah, you can just do that, what you see in, Portal Player or HL2 MP Player, which is to just replace this line with equals 0 instead. Now, this would enable everything like being able to chat. So there is something that you could do to kind of change the way that chat functionality works. Now, this might not make any sense whatsoever, but you can actually go to a file called client.cpp, which unsurprisingly exists on the server project for some reason. And you can, I don't know, Control F, find the say function, and there is a con command somewhere down here where you get a definition of the say command, which is down here. And we could pretty much turn around and replace this with whatever we want. So we could, I don't know, for example, comment out absolutely everything inside this function, and then just do a simple message where we say something like, I don't know, hello there. Yes, can't type and talk at the same time. It's literally not possible. And then also do the same sort of thing with, say, team as well, because that's also going to be something that's going to be enabled. So again, just type whatever you want in here. But yeah, that's pretty much all there really is to it. And once you've made those changes, you can go into the game. It should work, and I'll just cut to when I'm actually in the game and show you an example. Alright everyone, I'm back. We are at the start of the water hazard chapter, and if I were to, for example, do SV cheats 0, then as you can see off to the left hand side of the screen, you can see the server cheats message off to the side. If we change it to 1, then the exact same thing happens. Now, what can we do? Well, we can do the say command, and we can just type in whatever gobbledygook we want. But if you can see there, it actually replaces whatever that message was with just hello there. And then say team, we can do something similar, and it just prints text. Now, this doesn't actually use the full-on text functionality, or the chat functionality, I should say. But it does a good enough job to make it so you can actually get that message off to the left hand side of the screen without actually having the chat functionality still exist in the game. But I thought I'd do this quick little Source Shorts video that I've been meaning to do for a couple of days now and just haven't really done the audio commentary. And because of that, I've screwed up in many places and I'm sorry for that. But yeah, that's just going to be the video. Let me know what you think about this and I hope to see you for another video. Take care out there.